LKNCY was trending a couple of hours ago, up a modest 1.16%. This is January the 2nd, 2025. Happy New Year. Let's see what the sentiment is. Let's see what is behind the buzz around the stock. Let's see whether we can get the sentiment.
Luckin Coffee is trending once again as investors react to reports that the company's private equity backer may be considering a bid for Nestlé's premium coffee brand, Blue Bottle Coffee. The news has ignited spirited debate across trading communities about what such an acquisition could mean for Luckin's global expansion ambitions and its long awaited Nasdaq relisting. Some see the move as a potential game changer, while others worry it could divert focus and resources from regulatory preparations and shareholder transparency initiatives. The discussions reflect a broader divergence in investor sentiment. Optimists point to Luckin's robust domestic growth, noting that the company continues to open new stores at a rapid pace, increase same store sales, and steadily gain market share against established rivals such as Starbucks, SBUX. They argue that acquiring a globally recognized premium brand like Blue Bottle could catapult Luckin into the international coffee arena and position it as a serious competitor outside of China. Skeptics, however, caution that the premium acquisition might introduce additional operational complexity, increase debt or capital requirements, and delay the highly anticipated U.S. relisting, which remains a key catalyst for unlocking institutional interest and broader liquidity. There is also frustration among some investors over continued stock price stagnation, mixed messaging from management, and the perception that the company is not communicating clearly about strategic priorities. Community sentiment is therefore mixed but highly engaged, with debates focusing on the balance between growth opportunities and governance risks. Traders are scrutinizing whether Luckin's expansion strategy, potential acquisitions, and eventual U.S. relisting will align to drive meaningful shareholder value, or whether the company could face further volatility as it navigates these high profile moves. Overall, Luckin Coffee's trending status underscores its position at a crossroads, a rapidly growing, digitally savvy coffee chain with ambitions to go global, weighed against questions of strategic timing, transparency, and market expectations. With any confirmation on the Blue Bottle bid or relisting developments, the stock could experience a sharp reaction in either direction.
So still maintaining the gain of 1.16%. Underlying trend is, I think, okay, I would say neutral to bullish. The stock has been contracting. The expansion that began all the way back to early last year. It's been contracting. This contraction began early October. It's still very much in effect. The whole of December, the whole of October, the whole of November, December of 2025, the stock was in a downtrend, contracting. What I mentioned already, a contraction of much of the previous year. Okay, as things stand right now, it's saying that it's going to remain in a consolidation phase, which has actually begun, which probably began as of the middle of December of last year. So it's expected to remain in place at least up till the 10th of February. That may or may not be the case. So in the midst of all of that, there might be occasions where you may have bullish spells, or bounces, if you like. Okay, so let's see now. Projections are currently saying on this daily chart, we have beginning from the least, we have 29.18, 30.47, 32.55, 33.7, 34.71, 35.34. It is currently at 33.80 as things stand right now. Okay, momentum is expected to just weaken in the coming days, going all the way to, it's expected to be flat or rather weaken today. Today, the 2nd of January. Then after that, it's expected to continue to trend up. Yeah, it's expected to pick up speed and may remain elevated or strong, at least up till the 28th of January. So momentum is expected to remain strong. So it is currently trading above, is it trading? It is just slightly below its 10-day moving average. And it's from all indications, it's expected to um, go above that moving average, that the 10-day moving average in the coming days, probably from today as well. And then it's expected to remain above. It's going all the way towards um, the end of January of this year. So it seems to be suggesting that with given the strength it has right now, it may uh, move up slightly above its 10-day moving average and may hold it up to the end of the month. So this momentum indication is born out of its options, born out of its order books. So that's where this all of these extrapolations are calculated from, based on what it has been doing. So there is an indication that it may remain strong, going all the way towards and the end of January of 2026. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, it has. Yes, I can see here on its 4-hour chart, it's currently trading above that moving average, the 10-period moving average. Yeah, so here it's saying that it might remain strong up till at least Monday the 5th, and then after that, it seems to be suggesting that a progressive contraction, may remain in place at least up to the 12th. Then on that day as well, on the post-market session of the 12th, it might attempt to bounce again. But the 40-period moving average is expected to serve as a primary, as a resistance, yes, in the coming days. But we'll see how all of this will pan out. So on this 4-hour chart, projections are quite similar to the ones we've seen already. Beginning from the least, we have 32.12, 32.48, 33.06, 33.95, 34.23, 34.41. Yeah, okay, let's see what the momentum is saying. Let's see. Can we see that? No, it's not showing up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so momentum is expected to remain strong at least up to the 5th of January. Yeah, 5th of January towards the close of that session. Yeah, and then possibly from then on it might drop below its 10-period moving average. So all in all, it's just a consolidation. Yeah, is expected, if you like, or for the momentum is just expected to continue to play out in a consolidation manner. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how it goes. And the stock was trending earlier on, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.